Okay, so in here, there's the ball thing, ZQ Penrose, a Wushub Magnetic, she is newest 2x2, and MF Theoris 2, a Yushin Little Magic, it's like a really good cube, I'm not sure this is stickerless or not, a block of neodymium magnet stuff, a drone, the Gan cube thing, I think these are the GES nuts and stuff, this is the oh, there's Gan Blue, maybe, Gan SM. This seems to be the fountain pen that's for my brother's birthday. Another Yushin, Cuban Classroom G something, and MF2C, the 5.0 Cuban Classroom, the 3 point something, the 45mm one, and 5, I think this is 5.0, am I correct? Yes, I ordered two 5.0s. So here is the drone controller. The drone I just have charging over here. So here's the Cuban Classroom Mini 3. This is the smallest one that I have. This is only 3 centimeters. It's not the smallest one. I think I have a really bad Rubik's brand keychain. This seems pretty good. It turns really well. They should really make a full-size version of the Cuban Classroom thing. Penrose cube. So, straight away, this is really sandy. I think Lubical Silk would do really good for this puzzle. So we just pop. So the stickers feel really quite papery, but other than that, that's quite good, and it seems like it's going to be fun to solve. Moyu 4.5. So this is quite good. Just like the bigger one, but it feels like it almost has more, it feels kind of more hollow. So this is really good. This is pretty sandy, but it's really good with Lubical Silk. It's a really nice cube. That seems pretty good. 3.5, I think. Yes. I do not have this one. So this one feels the worst out of all of them. Kind of feels like it's almost too tight. Probably once I loosen the tensions, it'll be really good. Feels sandy like all the other ones. Doesn't turn super well. So, okay, so an MF2C, it's probably not as good as WAPO. It feels pretty heavy right now. It feels pretty dense. And all cubes have it. It feels sandy on the outside, but I really like the shades. All the Cuban Classroom, the new releases and stickers are pretty good. Kind of involving stickless puzzles now, but. It's really sandy, but it's stable and corner cutting seems pretty good. I think this could go really good with magnets. So this is actually really good. It's like my WAPO, but this feels stabler than my WAPO. Yeah, this feels really good. Next up, MF3RS2. Okay, so this, unlike those ones, this isn't like frosted. Other ones felt frosted. This one's kind of shiny. It's like Volk plastic versus like kind of clouded plastic. If anyone knows that. So, first turn. So it looks like it has this. I think the MF3RS had that. But this kind of looks a little bit like, and feels a little like a lighter Whaling GTS2, so I was going to try it. So my first impression's not really that good. Kind of seems bad. Okay, so sorry, my phone just ran out of storage. Kind of feels locky. The original kind of feels better at this point. Seems to be getting quite a bit better. Seems biblical silk would do really good in this. This is slightly dry, not as dry as these ones. It's starting to feel really good. Corner cutting. Seems a little bit tight. I think this would do pretty good if it was loosened up. Best thing about this, the shades seem pretty good. It seems like a pretty elegant cube. But then the rest of it kind of seems... Performance. This one's more expensive, so this is pretty good if you just want to try it out. It's really cheap anyways. If we were to get a magnetized version of this, like from the cubicle, I think that's a little bit too much for this. I don't think the performance would be that high. But if you want to get a good cube, this certainly is good. But right now, I think one of the best things, you could get a Yushin Little Magic M from Speed Cube Shop, and that cube, I did it myself, like I put magnets in myself, and it's really good. This is stickerless. I want to see sticker since I already have this. They're basically the same thing. So here, I really like it that they have like a rounded sticker. That seems pretty cool. This one kind of feels sandy on the outside. Oh, what happened to the stickers? So it feels like this almost has a really bad paint job. So this has really high performance, but already I know I can feel my other one, and this does feel really, really dry. So you're lubricable silk, then put it inside here. And lubricable silk is one of the things that you kind of must have. One of the three, lubricable one, lubricable silk, B&M is like really good, well worth it. So this is really good. Just feels kind of dry. This kind of feels lower quality than this stickerless one. Doesn't feel as dry on the outside. Ooh, starting off, this seems really way too loose. My other one came with stock tensions. This is really loose. I gotta tighten this one up. Wusha M. So this is cheese. First 2x2 in the Woo line. This already has magnets. It's my first magnetic 2x2. I was thinking of magnetizing my own. So let's see this. First of all, it's really dry and the magnets are barely, you can barely notice them. They still have an effect. They seem actually pretty good right now. So if I were to compare it with something, it kind of seems like if you loosened up a Yushao 2x2 or a Grogod 2x2, wow, then this is it. But like it doesn't pop, it doesn't feel unstable. This is, I would say right now, this is the best 2x2 in the market. I like it better than my Chuwin already. Magnets are a little bit more pronounced. So inside, I hope this doesn't have internal pop, since the Yushin 2x2, it was really good, and then they got an internal pop, and it takes like so long to put it back together. Now I'm going to see this. It seems like it has a Gan lube in here. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure. This might just be a bundle, or it might actually come like this. Ooh, that's going to be slightly annoying. Took out a piece of fabric. Alright, so here's a Gan Sm, one of these cards. This is pretty cool. I think that's the date when it was released. So in the Gan box, there is the Gan lubricant, default manual, GES, more GES. Apparently this is a really good cube. So apparently this isn't much like the original one. So this kind of feels heavier. Almost feels bigger. No, it's the same size. 3, 2, 1. What springs has this got? When you don't have any nails. It's got the blue strings. Blue strings are pretty okay. So, feels quite a bit different. It kind of feels softer than the other one. Like, more flexible. The magnets feel better on this one. Seems like it's breaking in quite well. Seems pretty good. So thanks for watching, and hopefully more unboxing soon.